Used by a variety of screen door manufacturers. Constructed from extruded aluminum and comes in a Florida brown finish. 3-piece assembly. Features a 1/8 in offset center leaf. Each package contains one screen door hinge and mounting hardware. All the necessary mounting hardware is included for a quick and easy installation on your screen door. Top reviews from the United States. Prefect replacement. Exact replacement for any doorstop to protect it from the wind. If this is a replacement, then it will have more parts than you need. If you need the full kit, it has all the parts you'll need. I'd recommend using longer screws into the door jamb, and carefully pre-drilling the door so the screws are tight and strong. The screws into the door and jamb will be the weak point. Might need to drill through the entire door and use machine screws depending on the wind and strength of the door.